2018 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote start, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, CD player, power windows, trip computer, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, electronic stability control, MP3 capability, rear window defroster, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, tachometer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.